Jackson Hewitt account setup. So for this, open any of a browser that you prefer and in the search bar search for jacksonhewitt.com. Then you will land in its official page. You have to tap on the option of login or sign up, which is at the very top. Then tap on My JH account and wait for it to load. Right here, if you already have an account, go ahead and enter your email address or username and your password to log into your account. If not, you can just go ahead and tap on forgot username or email or forgot password and do according instructed. If you are new, tap on create an account bubble at the bottom of the screen. In this form type of layout, you have to enter your first name, your last name, username, and your email address. And you also have to go ahead and enter a password and make sure that the criteria is met when you enter a password, and also your phone number, and give it a tick mark right here agreeing to terms and agreement. And hit the continue bubble at the bottom of the screen. Now this is the first step. On the second one, you have to enter some of the verifications such as security questions, verification ID, or a confirmation mail. After the step, you will be able to successfully log into your JH account. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.